our thing failed because we didn't have enough water during our winter break to keep it at a fair enough level so the water would keep pumping through it.
That zone.
All these.
Oh no. Oh, but look at this room. Look at this one. Get in there, ball. Look at that, huh? So our harder system to operate with is the hydroponics. We struggle to keep this area growing green and alive without a lot of nutrients and additives being put in the water. Ultimately, we're trying to find the plants in this area that are going to be best suited for our hot growing area that we can then turn into a business plan. From year-to-year basis, we've been able to grow basil really well. We have good success with tomatoes, but we haven't yet got them to flower. So each year we're trying to find that plant that's going to do best in our areas that we can actually profit from and add to our food security within this area.
Aquaponics, the best plants to grow, how to keep the plant's health at a good, healthy level. Things we can improve for the plant's life to get the best quality possible. The setup we have and the ways we can improve it for the best plant. Then our fish for our setup. Plants to rebuild the frame to hold more plant life. Plants to rebuild the life pipe system to get as much water flow as the plants need. We need to go on a fishing trip for our tank.
Oh, all right, come here, boys. Description of the system. So, fish eat the food, of course, and they poop out, which turns to ammonia, which goes through this tube right here. Bacteria turns ammonia into nitrate. Bacteria turns nitrate into nitrate. Nitrate is absorbed by plants. Water is returned to fish tanks. What plants are being grown? We have tomato, basil, lettuce, chives, and cucumber all right here. Okay. The dimensions are 108 inches by 44 inches. Okay. How system works? Fish eat algae, which passes through them and gets sucked.
So this is our soil system. We use these planters here as a control for pretty much the entire system to see what grows best, what doesn't. Seeing as some of these planters here leak, we plan on fixing those, adding drip feeders, so plants get water even like on the weekends when we're not in school. We have 2 different grow boxes there. Each one is about 3 feet 9 inches long and about 8 inches wide. Boxes contain snap peas, a single tomato plant in that one, cucumbers here in the pots. The system is growing our best plants, but it's also our most underutilized system. And then for our starters, and here we have our starting system. It's part of our soil system, but it's used to start off all the plants in the row.
This is our hydroponic setup. We have our lighting system, UV light, water pump, water storage, air vent, ventilation, lava rocks. We're growing lettuce, tomato, spinach, and basil. Way it works, the water pulls in the nutrients, UV light speeds up the process to create photosynthesis for the plants. One of the struggles is that we kind of failed was over break. The water needs to be changed out every week.